Hello students, in this video lecture we are going to discuss this example. Evaluate triple integral over v square root of x square plus y square into dx dy dz, where v is the volume which is bounded by x square plus y square is equal to z square, where z is greater than 0 and z is equal to 0 comma z is equal to 1. Now let us denote this volume integral by this notation capital I. So I is equal to triple integral over v root of x square plus y square into dx dy dz. Now you look at this diagram. So these are coordinate system, x axis, y axis, and this is z axis. So we know that root of x square plus y square is equal to z square. It is equation of right circular cone, and whose axis is along z axis and semi vertical angle is 40 degrees. So this is your right circular cone, and this is the plane z is equal to 1. So this is the plane z is equal to 1. Now let us evaluate this integral with respect to variable z first. Now in this example limits are not given, so let us first evaluate this integral with respect to z. Now how to determine the limits for z? So procedure is, you draw a straight line parallel to z axis. Here I have drawn the straight line which is parallel to z axis. Now lower end of this straight line, it intersect the right circular cone. So its equation is, we know that it is z square is equal to x square plus y square. So find out, you solve this expression and find out value of z. So after solving this, you will get z is equal to root of x square plus y square. Since z is positive, so it lies above z is equal to 0 plane. So I write here z is equal to root of x square plus y square, and this line intersect the given right circular cone at the plane z is equal to 1. So therefore upper limit is here, z is equal to 1, and square root of x square plus y square into dz, we integrate with respect to z first, so multiplied by dx dy. So since there is no z, so only dz is there, so integration of dz is z, upper limit minus lower limit, as root of x square plus y square is constant. So root of x square plus y square, integration of dz is z, upper limit minus lower limit, that is 1 minus root of x square plus y square into dx dy. Okay, now we have to evaluate this double integral. Now look at this diagram. So we know that volume is generally generated by area multiplied by height. So take the projection of this volume on the plane z is equal to 1. So its projection is here, you will get a circle, and it is moreover it is intersection of right circular cone x square plus y square is equal to z square with the plane z is equal to 1. So this circle, what is the equation of this circle? Since it intersect with the plane z is equal to 1, so it is x square plus y square is equal to z. So evaluate this integral over the area of this circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Now as we know, this area is circular area, so it is better to transform this integral into polar. So using, now I write here, using polar transformations, Now you know that what are polar transformations. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. So I becomes double integral. Now what are the limits for r? So r changes from 0 to 1, and for complete sphere theta changes from 0 to 2 pi. Now what is value of root of x square plus y square? So you know that x square plus y square is your r square, as cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So root of x square plus y square means it is r into bracket 1 minus r. And what about dx dy? So dx dy, it is the area element in Cartesian form, so it is replaced by r dr d theta. Remember that this is the area element in polar form, so it is r dr d theta. So therefore theta changes from 0 to 2 pi, r changes from 0 to 1. Now simplify this, so it is r square minus r cube into dr d theta. Now limits of r as well as limits of theta, they are constant, so I can separate these integrals as, write the integral for theta separately, so 0 to 2 pi d theta into integral r runs from 0 to 1 and r square minus r cube dr. So integration of d theta is theta, so upper limit minus lower limit, answer is 2 pi multiplied by, now what is integration of r square? It is r cube by 3 minus r raised to 4 by 4. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0, so 2 pi. Now upper limit you will get value 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and for lower limit it is 0. So let us simplify this, it is 2 pi into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 12. So therefore triple integral over v root of x square plus y square into dx dy dz is equal to pi by 6. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.